Being the 8th Chancellor and the first female Chancellor in this 125-year history of this amazing university is very, very special. I also recognise how important this university is to the community of Birmingham, to the world globally, and to all its students and staff. I came here as a student many decades ago. I'd studied law and politics. I went on to qualify as both a barrister and a solicitor. And then I worked in the City of London in finance and financial services. I'm a big fan of the arts. I was on the board of the Royal Shakespeare Company. I'm obviously now the new Chancellor of the University of Birmingham, which I love saying. And my son is studying here as well. And my mother studied nursing here as well. So 3 generations have come through the doors of the university. This afternoon is what's called my installation as Chancellor. Now, I know that makes me sound like a big American fridge, plumbed in, but it's a formal ceremony with informal bits. Don't think of yourself in a way that puts you in a minority. Think about how you can project your voice more, you can be heard more, you can be seen more, right? In that sense. Never be, afraid to see yourself as having a place around the table, even though you might be in the minority around that table, however you define that. But never think in the first place you shouldn't be around that table.
When we began the search for a new Chancellor, Sandie's name came up repeatedly. As we considered her for the role, we knew immediately that Sandie would be a great fit for the University of Birmingham.
Vice-Chancellor, members of the university community, it is with great pleasure that I introduce you to our 8th Chancellor, Sandie Okoro.
The pursuit of learning is always transformative, but a Birmingham education is uniquely enriching thanks to the efforts of a brilliant university community.
Just before you speak, what I'd like you to do now is to look at the screen in front of you.
I am delighted and honoured to join the distinguished ranks of the Chancellors of this great university. It really, truly is thrilling to be your new Chancellor. This university stands for everything I believe in: innovation, diversity, opportunity and ambition. Birmingham doesn't just teach, it inspires. And it inspired me, and I hope it inspires many of you too. And let me end with a quote from Nelson Mandela. Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world. So let's go change the world. Thank you.